So today I'm going to be clearing an area that we use for hunting. One of the areas we have some tree stands and some ground blinds that we put up around here. It's probably about 150 feet wide, quarter mile long, on top of a ridge. This is also one of the areas that the coyotes use to get up to our house. So maybe it'll deter them a little bit if we have a little bit open areas. So when we clear areas like this, we're cutting down the little trees. Most of them have been poplars and maples, which will sprout back up from the stumps that are left. The deer will forage off that, but we're also going to plant persimmons and other shrubs and stuff that they like in these areas. Just try to give them some natural food. So right here I have an area that I found a lot of deer to travel through. It's one of their trails. I think I'll leave like maybe a 50-foot buffer and not touch anything in this area. Hopefully give them cover so they feel safe traveling back and forth through this area. I think it'll do that.